This is Joburg. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Maskera say, Ninjani. How do you greet people in the bed? Salibonani Linjani. Yeah, Snow Faris. I'm with my mortician. This is the guy. This is the guy who does all the perfect work. His name is Dragon. Yeah. Just open this phone. I need to share this page. Just open. Okay, just a second, guys. This evening, we are going to have a special guest, especially to the young people. Maybe you've tried so many things in South Africa, it's not working for you. You are also looking for ideas, which is Ofamba say and etc. Share to your page, okay. Share by Sis Melly. All right. Make sure and to me Rashama. What is on the travel Sagana? Share to your group. Now in Cape Town. Share to groups. Share to group. More boys in minutes. All right. So tonight at 8 p.m. just make sure that you guys come and watch. I'm going to have a special guest. It's going to be a big surprise. He's one of the guys who's doing very well in business in Cape Town. I think his story is going to motivate many young people. Not only young people, but maybe you are tired of life, you want to start something, and you are also looking to help out opportunities in South Africa. This guy has got a story that I believe it's going to straight.
Left.
Papi. That means 10.
Yeah.
That means to just level 10. All right. So now, guys, make sure if you are a parent, encourage your children to come and watch this to come and watch program Yamaneru. Kana une my friends ako, my brothers ako, my sisters ako. Though program life is worth to watch. Rather than my life, I'm not saying now kuterera kutiningar kutukwa munar kurwana ningar kicha say. This guy is got this. Hey, my porisa. Tida say. Tenda. Tenda. Chora kumi say nim. Hey. Pata for you.
Yeah.
Life. How are you, sir? Come. Okay, sure, I'm coming, sir.
Come this side. Open all the doors.
Oh, okay. Sure.